Hi, hey, my name is Barbara D. You've probably seen a couple of my videos in the past. At least I hope you have. I'm going to talk to you today about the Wildwood Heritage Glen. It's called the 29 BHXL. Really a nice layout. These are an aluminum frame trailer. They're super duper nice, and I want to show you a few things about it. You know what? This is one of the best floor plans that I've ever seen. And I've been in this industry since the 80s. This travel trailer has got so much going for it. First of all, when you come in the door, you're going to have a really nice pantry and a coat closet. You come into this galley area or into this living area, you've got a super nice sofa, straight onto the TV, nice fireplace, great big horseshoe dinette, beautiful kitchen, lots of counter space, upper cabinets, an oven, a pots and pans drawer. It just goes on and on and on. In the back of the RV, we have a king bed. Not just a little bunkhouse, but a king bed that folds up out of the way, and two other bunks. It's just a spectacular layout. I've never seen it. You've got a pass-through bathroom that sports a porcelain toilet. You've got, this is a huge bathroom. And then a pass-through to a lovely master bedroom. I don't think that you can beat it. I've never seen such a nice floor plan. Please give me a call. My name is Barbara. I want to talk with you about this Heritage Glen. It's a super nice unit, and I don't think anybody that's looking for a travel trailer like this should miss it. Call me. I'm at 541-521-4232. I can't wait to hear from you. Thank you for dropping in, and I'm Barb.